Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Afterpay Developer API. This tutorial will walk you through the process of integrating Afterpay into your e-commerce platform using their API. First, you need to create a merchant account on the Afterpay website and obtain an API key. This key will be used to authenticate your API requests. Once you have your API key, you can start making API requests to the Afterpay platform. The Afterpay API uses RESTful architecture, which means you will be making HTTP requests to the API endpoints to perform different actions. The API supports several endpoints, including creating orders, retrieving order status, and canceling orders. To create an order, you need to send a POST request to the Create Order endpoint, including the order details such as the amount, currency, and customer information. The API will then respond with an order token, which you can use to redirect the customer to the Afterpay payment page. When the customer completes the payment, Afterpay will send a webhook notification to your server, including the order status and other relevant information. You can use this notification to update the order status in your system and trigger any necessary actions. Best practices for using the Afterpay API include handling errors and exceptions properly, implementing webhooks to receive notifications, and testing your integration thoroughly before going live. You should also ensure that your system is secure and compliant with relevant regulations, such as GDPR and PCI DSS. In terms of key concepts, it is essential to understand the difference between a payment token and an order token. A payment token is used to authenticate a payment, while an order token is used to identify an order. To get started with the Afterpay API, you can use the Afterpay Sandbox environment to test your integration. The Sandbox environment allows you to simulate payments and test your API requests without affecting real orders. In conclusion, integrating the Afterpay API into your e-commerce platform can be a straightforward process if you follow the steps outlined in this tutorial. By understanding the key concepts, using the API endpoints correctly, and following best practices, you can provide a seamless payment experience for your customers.